Hi everyone, Don Genova here with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. This time I'm coming to you all the way from the Shetland Islands, the very northern part of the United Kingdom. I've been here at the Mareel Arts Centre for the past few days taking part in Shetland Noir. It's a celebration of wonderful crime fiction with lots of great authors, and there's some great Scottish culture and food on display as well. I'm going to take you there right now.
All the background up to me.
Well, this is Shetland. I can prove it to you because, look, Shetland ponies. They're the cutest thing ever. Just one of the reasons why we came to Shetland. We had to see them. So one of the other reasons we came to Shetland is because we really love the TV show Shetland, the series. In one of the episodes, it featured a cake fridge. Cake fridge, yes, this is a cake fridge that sits out here all day long. It's an honor system. You just open the door, choose from, let's see, traditional Sultana Tiffin, a mixed cupcake selection, old school style sponge, and then just put your money up here in the honesty box. It's a great idea. Wow, the end of the trip to Shetland is here. I'm standing on St. Ninian's Beach. This long strip of sand connects us with St. Ninian's Isle, which is over that way. And it's called a tombolo. Long strip of sand connecting two places. Never thought I would be here. It's been just an amazing trip. Met some great mystery authors, met some great mystery fans, ate some great food. And of course, looking forward to getting back to Canada and cooking and bringing you more cookbooks and more mysteries from Russell Books. I'm Don Genova for Foodie Friday, and we'll see you back in Canada.